Like one of the scariest hikes in Maine.
I'm driving up north on the Trans-Canada Highway. The night is sweet, 1,000 stars. I'm driving up north on the Trans-Canada Highway. The night is sweet, 1,000 stars. Should I stay with you? I know.
What does the fox say?
Oh, that is so cool. That's the first time I've ever seen
I wanna build a home.
that. Okay, so today we are here in Acadia National Park. Yes, it is beautiful. It's kind of a foggy day, but look how beautiful the view is. So we are on the Great Head Trail, and it goes also to Sand, I think it's called Sand Beach. But it is beautiful. This national park is so pretty. And I think the clouds even make it like a better day for hiking. The air temperature is perfect. It's like 72 degrees out here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And a beautiful park. So this is our first trail here. Tomorrow we actually have tickets to go up Cadillac Mountain. You had to get time tickets. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. Today we're gonna do a couple of trails and check out what the park has to offer.
Yeah.
Should I stay with you? I know now. Don't wanna leave anymore. I wanna build a home.
There's blue marks on the trees and the rocks to help you stay on trail. It's a great idea. And look at these views. Wow. It's beautiful.
Took a little mirror from your magic box.
Found the hiking stick.
Where's your hiking stick?
Right here. That's a big hiking stick.
Whenever I go, be like you smile, I can smile on myself.
Can I hold him? Does he have pinchers?
He has one, but it's not a pitchy pincher. It's a speeding pincher.
Hey, bud. You okay? Poor baby.
Listen, as long as you grab them right there, they can never pinch you. But if you put your hand down here, they'll get you.
Here, look at this thing.
It's a big one.
Cool.
Build a home, loving life with you. I wanna build a home.
Definitely something under there.
Yep, there's another one right there.
There is another one.
I'm gonna try and grab it. Grab it. But it's still sleeping.
Look at all the stuff on the bottom.
Ew.
Those are eggs.
Those are eggs. Oh! Oh my gosh. We all freak out when you... Hey, bud. Oh my gosh, if those are eggs, I'm gonna be absolutely grossed out.
He does not want you to hold him,
That
Trip.
means it's a girl.
No,
I doubt it's their eggs.
it probably.
Whoa! You got it! That's awesome. He's trying to bite me.
Maybe. Don't put your hand by its mouth.
They don't have teeth. They have like fish
Oh.
mouths.
Oh,
Oh, he's dying.
Okay, put him back in.
okay, put him back in.
He has like a fish head, but an ill body. Good. That was a good grab, dude.
Woo! Thank you.
Nice job. How'd it feel, Trip?
He was slimy. Shitty.
If I give you my
She was
seal
slimy.
of approval.
So today we are headed to Cadillac Mountain in Acadia National Park. So this is the one thing that we had to get online before and get a reservation for. It was $6 and it opens up either, I think, a month in advance, like they open 30% a month in advance, and then the remaining 70% of the reservations open 2 days before at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So we had to hop online and grab them. There was a ton left over for both days. I got on to do it and it was going to be rainy yesterday, so we did today. But both times I got on, there was a ton left over. I got on right at 10. So it's a drive that takes you up to the top of Cadillac Mountain. It's supposed to be the highest elevation on the East Coast, I believe. But we're excited. We're going to head back. Yesterday, the crowds weren't too busy at Acadia. We were really surprised. So hopefully today's the same. Okay, so today is so crowded at the park. It's totally different than yesterday. So we drove up to the top of Cadillac Mountain. It was beautiful views. It was pretty chilly at the top. So we went on that hike yesterday. There wasn't a ton of people. So today we were going to go back to the beach. The kids wanted to go play in the water. And we could not even find a parking place. We drove through the parking lot several times and even up and down the road. The closest parking place we could find was about 2 miles away from the beach. So we ended up leaving Acadia and coming to another beach that's just in town. So this is where we are, right? You can't really see it, but I'll show you. This is a cute little beach too. We came here the first day we got here and it was so foggy that you couldn't see out like the islands and the boats. And today it's clear and you can see everything. And the kids are super excited to get in the water. And we're excited to escape some of the crowds at the national parks.
There's a barnacle on one.
Okay, so this is when we Google how to open a lobster because I actually have no idea.
Sabotage. You have to eat it.
And then there's that inside.
That's all?
That's it?
Well, it's usually bigger than it.
Looking at it is making
Dip
my
it
hands
in the
hurt.
butter.
Dip it in the delicious butter.
Okay, I'm okay with the butter. I would drink that butter.
How was it?
Good. Like fresh, super fresh.
Oh, I missed it.
I'll do it again.
Trip's first mussel. How was it?
Not very good.
It's delicious. Are you gonna have one? What?
Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me.
See, that's
So this morning, Travis and I woke up at 6 a.m. so we could come do this hike that we've been hearing about here in Acadia National Park. It's called the Beehive Trail. What are the specs on it?
It's a 508 feet elevation gain, and it's a 1.5 mile. That's what it says on the All Trails app. But the sign down below says 3 miles, so we'll find out.
Yeah, I think it's 1.5 miles one way and then 1.5 miles back.
Guess we'll find out.
Yeah. So here we go. It has beautiful views already. It's straight up, and we left the kids back in the RV because there's a lot of like drop-offs, like this one behind us, and little metal grades you have to walk. So it's supposed to be like one of the scariest hikes in Maine. So here we go. So far these views are not disappointing. Look at that. Beautiful.
So if you want to know how to get to this trail, this parking lot right here is the Sand Beach. This is Sand Beach up here. Just follow the signs to Sand Beach and then walk across the street and then go against the one-way traffic, and the trail's right there on your left. Or download the All Trails app and we'll take you right to it. Since the landscape is all the same, rock, they've put these blue hash marks on the trees, rocks, so you can follow. Just follow the direction that it's going. So if it's straight up and down, go straight. This tells us to go that way, so that's the way we're going.
Okay, so we made it to the top of the Beehive Trail. Look how gorgeous this view is. This is one of the funner trails I've done too. I loved all of the ladders and climbing. It wasn't that scary either. To be honest, it wasn't that scary. Not too extreme, although I would not bring Riley and Trip on it. The view is absolutely gorgeous from up here though. Okay, so we walked from the top to the other side and the view is, I mean, just as gorgeous, if not more. Look at all these little islands in the background. This is definitely a must-do hike if you come to Acadia.
So if you want the views, but not the vertical climbs with all the runs and the cliffs, you can do the trail backwards and just climb up the rock, like a rock waterfall almost. A lot of it's pretty steppy. Here, I'll flip this so you can see. So here's the trailhead start. That's a parking lot for Sand Beach parking lot. So 100 yards back down the road where the bus parking's at. That's how you get to the trailhead.
We just got back to the car from hiking the Beehive Trail. Such a great trail.
Yeah.
I know we already said it was a great fun. It was super fun.
Well worth it.
Yeah, hiking up all the rocks and the little ladders and stuff. It was a great hike. So I would say definitely the Beehive Trail is a must-do trail in Acadia National Park. We've been here, this is our 3rd day here. We're actually leaving the RV park today and headed to a harvest host. What is that, a maple farm?
Maple farm. The kids are dying for pancakes and maple candy, so.
Yeah, so we're gonna go maybe see how maple syrup is made because I actually have no clue.
It comes from a cow.
Oh yeah,
Brown
from
cows.
a cow?
Brown cows.
Brown cows make maple syrup. Well, so obviously we need to learn how to make maple syrup because we have no idea. So another tip, today Travis and I got up at 6 a.m. to hit the trail and there was nobody on the trail when we first got here. We easily got a parking space in the parking lot and now the parking lot's packed. People are parking on the road.
People are looping, waiting for someone to leave.
Yes, yesterday we're gonna take the kids to the beach here in Acadia National Park. We could not find a parking place. There were so many people. I mean, I think so many people are just out in general this year.
Yeah.
I've seen national parks are just packed with people. But so a good tip, get up early. You get to do the hike practically by yourself because we were like going up the cliff, going up the ladders, not having to wait much.
Straight up the hill, no one in our way. And as we were coming down, you could just
Really
see the line of people just in a matter of 45-minute difference.
Yeah, it's 8:30 right now and it's already getting packed.
It's 8:30, we're up, we're done. Parking lot's packed and there's a line, so make sure you get there. 6:37
Yeah, for
is a
sure.
primo time.
So we're gonna head back to the RV, wake up the kids, and head to the harvest house.
And dump the poop tank.
Yuck.